Hare Krishna. Welcome to JBS Kitchen, the house of Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Maharani. And today being Ekadashi day, we are going to learn how to make quinoa pattice. This is a very healthy and tasty alternative to the normal aloo tikki or potato pattice that we eat. So let's get started. So the ingredients: we need of course potatoes, salt, green chilies, coriander, and quinoa. Now many of you are not aware of what is quinoa. So this is how quinoa looks like. This is almost, it looks like grain, but it's not a grain and can be consumed on Ekadashi day. So this is how quinoa looks like. Okay. And to show you the packet, maybe this is almost like 12 of quinoa. This is available in the local Indian stores and also in any of the health food stores like Naturally or the Whole Foods or Common Grounds. So let's get started. I'll start by boiling the potatoes. The stove is already on. The water is boiling. Are you gonna get it here? There you go. Ow. And while the potatoes are boiling, we will work on the quinoa. Now the quinoa, you just wash it just like rice. So 1 or 2 washes should be good. Now I have some already washed and rinsed. So here goes. This is it. Now this is half a cup of quinoa for 2 lb of potatoes. The potatoes, I got it from the grocery store. I actually had it measured to 2 lb. 2 lb fits in almost 4 medium-sized potatoes. Now these are russet potatoes, Idaho russet potatoes. Now for half a cup of quinoa, I'm putting 1 cup of water. Okay, double the quantity. Okay, there goes, and it goes for a boil. Now we boil the quinoa till it will inflate, and then it will become like a flat disc kind of thing, and a ring will separate out. I'll show you once it is done. When do we stop? Okay. And in the meanwhile, we can start with the other prep work. What we basically do is we make a coarse chutney out of green chilies and coriander. It need not be a paste, but just like just put it in the mixie and do a single round or two, such that the chilies are not into pieces or they won't come in anybody's mouth. That is the basic thing, and it also helps to mix very nicely in the dough when we make it, and imparts a very nice, unique flavor to it. Okay, so this is 1 bunch of coriander, and I'll just take, say, this much. And we are going with 2 green chilies. Again, you can adjust this to your liking. If you want it less hot, you can use less green chili. This is from the local Indian store which I got. I know sometimes the chilies can be more hot, less hot, but that's up to us now. We can't really do much about it. I'm going to wash the coriander. That's my son trying to cook something on his own. And I'll just roughly chop the green chilies into the mixie. how it should be. It's not like a paste if you see properly. A coarsely grinded one. So now we are ready with everything. We are just waiting for the potatoes to boil. So we'll come back once the potatoes and quinoa are done, and then we'll show you how to cook.